Sup, Arrie. This is Arrie. I'm speaking English because not everyone speaks Afrikaans, believe it or not. But as promised, we have the video today on how to get started doing videos. And everything I'm going to reference in this video is free. You can download the resources in the description. The links will be there. If you want to stick around and see how to download them, how to install them, and a bit about what the programs are about, enjoy the show. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to create a Google account. So just click on your browser and type in create Google account. You want to click on this first page, accounts.google.com. Alright, let's just make up some nonsense. You're not allowed to see this one, but I'll blur it out. Just type in the verification code they sent to your phone, click verify. Then recovery email address. If you don't have one, you have to make one up. I'm not gonna do anything with this. I'm gonna skip it, but if you want, you can do this. It's basically for targeted ads. I don't want it. And then you have your Google account. So then the next thing you want to do is go to YouTube. Signed in as your Google account. Switch account. Alright, so now you're signed into YouTube. And then if you right click on your icon in the top right corner, you see the first option, create a channel. We're going to go there. Alright, your creator journey begins. Get started. Alright, so then you can use a normal name or a custom name. Let's just use custom for tutorial purposes. So let's call it, and then you have to click here, understand, and create. Alright, so then from here you can upload a picture. And then description, let's just say this is a tutorial. Okay, you can add custom links, websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Just save and continue. You've got the home page. This is where you start customizing your channel. You can create playlists for your viewers. You can feature other channels. You can start a discussion. As you can see here, there's the description that I made. Customize channel and YouTube Studio. So these are quite important. So customizing the channel, you don't want a bland channel. You can change the channel art at the back there. It requires like a higher resolution of picture. You can add feature channels here. So if you have another channel, you can add it here and people can follow that channel through. Back to YouTube Studio on the top right hand corner. Top right, you can upload the video there, and there you can go live if you want to stream something. On the left, you've got a bunch of options. You've got your analytics, so that's where you can see like who's watching your videos from where are they. But the real thing I want to get to is this, the audio library in Creator Studio. So this is where I get free music. Some of them have in their description, it says like this one, you're free to use this song in any of your videos, but other ones tell you that you have to give credit where credit is due and link the artist's name in the description, and then sound effects obviously, and you can filter these like by category. You can search, same thing with the music, a genre, mood, instrument, duration, attribution, whatever. So the attribution, see, that's what I was talking about in the description. So not required, then that means you can just use the song. You don't need to give credit in the description. The attribution required is, you get the idea. You've got this monetization tab. So this is when you hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm guessing, there are people out there that want to reach that level. If you have 1,000 or more subscribers, you can start earning through YouTube, where they put ads on your video and you get a cut, basically. So let's go ahead and start downloading stuff. So the most important tool that I use is DaVinci Resolve. Just type in DaVinci Resolve download. The first thing you'll see is Blackmagic Design's website. Click the download button here on the first page. So the one on the right is a paid version where you get stuff like stock footage and whatnot, but the one on the left is, to me, it's more than enough. So I'm going to click for Windows, download it for Windows, and you have to put in your name and your details and whatnot. Once you've done this, just click the register and download button. Alright, so then we're going to move on to OBS recording, which I'm using now. You need this if you want to do gameplay videos. Click on download. There's the Windows icon. We're going to use that one. And we're going to click download installer. And it'll do the same thing down here. We are going to move on while they're downloading to the audio editor as well. Once again, first page, we click on that one. Now this one is a bit hard to download. I don't know why. I don't know. So just click on Audacity for Windows. And then there's this bunch of stuff that you just have to read through. But where you want to go is this Audacity installer. And you'll see this one, Windows installer, it says there. I'm going to click on that one. While we are waiting for those, let's move on to stock footage. Stock footage is what you use when you don't have a camera and you have nothing to make a video with, or if you're just looking for something abstract or of good quality. I go to pixels.com. They do have a library that is free, so you have to join in the upper right hand corner. I don't think I have to tell you how to join. It's easy, fill in your details. And then if you want to make intros on YouTube and stuff like that, you can go to Canva. So once again, this is not a program, it's also just a website, so you have to sign in, you have to join them. So it's sign up in the top right hand corner. The cool thing about Canva is you can edit whatever you're doing, a flyer, a poster, making an intro. So let's see, these are done. Let's show in folder. And basically what happens is you'll see in your downloads, you'll find all of them, these three. And what you want to do, like DaVinci, you double click on that. It's an exe file, so it's going to launch the program, start installing the program. So you just double click it and you go nuts. You accept, you install, just follow the prompt. It's an easy wizard. I already have it, so I don't need to install it. But the same thing with the other two. So Audacity, it's an exe file. So if I double click, I'm going to start installing the program, but I already have the program, so I'm going to cancel. See, so there's, you make a choice, you know, and you go nuts. Same thing with OBS Studio. I'm going to delete these and show you a bit of what these programs are about. So OBS records your screen. So as you can see, it's recording my screen and it's recording itself, recording my screen. So it's like, you know, recording into infinity. But over here you can say start streaming. That's if you're connected to the internet and you're doing streaming video while recording your screen, like for gameplay videos and stuff. When using Audacity, you have to remember something, that it cannot take any format of audio, so sometimes you have to convert it. I do have a solution for that one. If you go in your Google browser and you click convert to MP3, scroll down, this one, audio.online-convert. So here on the left you can see the options. I always go with MP3 or WAV. Most devices can play those formats. However you do, just click on your folders. Say I want to convert this track. So there it is. I can download this, but I'm not gonna because I already have that song. There are options on the left. You can go video converter as well. And you can choose, I use MP4 or WMV for most of them. Again, same story, you get the idea. In DaVinci Resolve, let's go with the Untitled project. You can import media. If you right click on this pane, this is where you like cut stuff. This is where the next pane down below is where you edit stuff. Then you've got something called Fusion. You can change the color scheme of your video. You can add transitions. You can also edit the audio here, as I've said before, but it's better to use Audacity and then do what you have to do in the video editor, at least for me. Deliver is where you can get the video ready for export. Cool thing about this, it's got on the top here, if you look at this, you can convert the videos for what's best to use on certain sites. YouTube, for those of you who want to YouTube, you've done all your settings, you can click add to render queue, and once it's here, you click start render, and it'll make the video ready for you, and you can go nuts, you can post it. And I believe that concludes our tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy this. I want to make a video on how these programs work a bit more in depth, how I go through my process, stuff like that. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're on Facebook watching this, go to the channel, like, favorite, subscribe, comment, ask questions if you want. I have been doing this for a while, so perhaps I can help you. But other than that, this is Arrie signing off for Arrie Vlogs. Ciao. Bye.